So how to scan text from any image? You can scan those text by easily on your iPhone. Go to your setting, open the notes apps, and then press on this pin icon, then press on done, then press on this icon. You can see the scan text. Press on scan text. Now just showing on your camera, then it will be automatically scan all of your text. Once done, if you want to insert, press on insert, and it will be add. And if you want to scan it again, scan text. Now rotate my, then it will be add text again. You see, more text. And so that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.